At SVSU, we believe the cost of tuition should not prevent you from obtaining a first-class college education, and we are committed to making this accessible to all our students. Last year, nearly half of SVSU freshmen had their entire tuition paid for by scholarships and grants. And now we've created a program called the Cardinal Commitment for qualifying students. This means SVSU will step up with additional funding if your basic tuition costs exceed your grants and scholarships. Depending on your major, this means that you could finish your degree at SVSU without ever having to pay for tuition. We invite you to estimate your awards using our 3-minute cost quiz below. If you are in your final year of high school, you can get your official awards by applying to SVSU, sending us your high school transcripts, and including Saginaw Valley on your free application for federal student aid, also known as the FAFSA. We've included links for all these things in the page below. Of course, terms and conditions apply, and you have a role to play in this. We want you to understand all the qualifiers, so we've included answers to frequently asked questions on this page. While I don't know exactly what your awards will be, last year, half our students who walked across the stage at SVSU's graduation had under $18,000 in debt, and 29% had no debt at all. At SVSU, we see your value. We are dedicated to helping you achieve your educational and career goals.